Build a 36. What are you looking for? We're looking for 36. Build it. That's not a 36. That was a good try, though. Build a 36. What are you going to build?
Eventually,
Really? I see Zach has got one 36. Sienna built the same. She built a purple 36. Can we figure out a 36 that has a different color 36?
I suppose if you could.
It has to be. How about this? It has to be all one color. So if you're going to build something that has to be all one color,
Does that also be a square?
no, it has to be a rectangle. But a square is a special kind of rectangle. So squares are okay.
Yeah, you can. I'm gonna
Choose. Okay. All one color.
Do you have one? What?
Don't do twos though. That's crazy. Do something bigger. You want go Molly. Go look at the 36 pile. Moon, go look at the 36 pile. Okay. So we had a purple one. What other color was in the 36 pile?
How many is this?
Molly's building one out of yellows. What other color, Moon, was there on the 36 pile? Do you remember? Ollie, did you find the 36 pile?
How many is this? Yeah.
This one? I don't know. You should count them. Okay.
Hey, he stole it now.
Ollie, you already have it built.
Zach could get Zach.
Huh? Mom, is
Looking
this
for more
14?
nines? How many nines do you
Is
need?
it 14? Mom, is this 14?
How many nines do you need to make 36?
4. Look at that.
Oh, look at what Moe did. That was clever. He measured them.
Ollie.
How many do you have here? Do you remember what this color is? This color. You can count them.
I can't count this one.
You did. You already did, buddy.
Hear about this. How much is on this one?
Both of them are
1, 2,
same exact thing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one we call a 9. We call that number a 9. How many of those 9s do you have here?
4.
You've got 4 9s. And when you put 4 9s together, we have discovered that it equals, what does it equal?
36.
36, yeah, 36.
With 12.
So with all of those numbers on the table, Moe, you can build a rectangle in, most of them you can build in 2 ways, right? Like if I'm going to build a 12, I can build it with 1, 2, 3 4s, 3 of the 4 kind, or 4 of the 3 kind, right? And that makes the same rectangle.
Except for when it's squares.
But with square numbers, there's a special thing where you can also build it with a square, right? You couldn't build this one. There's no way you could build that one with a square. But we just discovered that with that number 36, Zach, right, which happens to be a square. Here, bring your other rectangles here. Moon, put your rectangles here. And let's see, what is the other one? Oh, the yellow one. Yeah, there you go. There's a good rectangle. That is a very good rectangle.
Yellow,
No,
purple,
all one color. I don't confuse the story. And this one is 9. Did we measure them? Is that 9 4s? Yep, 9 4s. There you go. So you can make this number 36. You can factor it, Zaka. You can what does factoring mean? Does anybody remember what factoring means, Zach? Build a rectangle. And
I
count
just
the
made
sides.
it with these ones since
That's a
it's
good
easy
color.
to make.
So we took 36 and we built 3 different rectangles with them. And all we have to do then is count the sides to figure out what the factors are. How long is this side, Moon? Do you remember what this side is? 9. How long is this side? 4, right? How long is this side?
4.
And this side? You can take any 2 numbers that you're multiplying together and you can say 4 times 9 and 9 times 4. They're going to be the same thing, right? And then there's the square. 36 happens to be one of those special ones, Zach, that also you could take 36 and create. What are the sides? What are the factors on this one?
You can make that 6 by 6.
6 by 6. And that's why the numbers over there that are square numbers have an odd number of cards and an odd number of ways that you can factor that number. Do you see that pattern? I thought that was really exciting. That kind of tripped me out. Okay, let's do some